आज का हमारा टॉपिक है दी ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री। ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशंस ड्यूरिंग द स्टोन एज वर लो, ऑल डायनेस्टी डिपेंडेंट, growth limiting factors applied, competition for food, availability of water, risk of predation, spread of diseases. About 130,000 years age, Homo sapiens migrated out of Africa into the Fertile Crescent. Several geographic factors made it an ideal birthplace of a civilization. First agricultural revolution, transition from hunting and gathering to cultivating food, fiber and other animal and plant products. Industrial revolution, transition from an rural agrarian society to an advanced one dominated by machine manufacturing. Accompanied by several important medical discoveries. Germ theory. Many diseases are caused by microorganisms. Vaccines, injection of dead and weakened various to prevent diseases. Antibiotics, chemical that selectively kill bacteria. Water treatment, filtration and chlorination of water to remove microorganisms and toxins. Doubling time estimates how long it will take a population to double in size at its current growth rate. 30% current growth rate. Human demographics too. Life expectancy measures how long an average newborn will live. Life expectancy is most influenced by infant mortality rate in the number of infants less than 1 year old, deaths per thousand births. A fertility rate of 2.1 is a replacement level and will result in a stable population. Total fertility rate in the average number of children a woman will have in her lifetime. Positive. In future rate of volunteering ecosystem services. Negative. Income inequality, population impacts of climate change, crime. Emigration is when people move into an area increasing population. Emigration is when people leave an area decreasing population. Initial stability, high birth rate 2.1 offset by low life expectancy. Rapid growth, high birth rate 2.1 plus increasing life stabilizing growth. High life expectancy, birth rate shows to replacement level 2.1. Negative growth, birth rate grows drops below replacement level 2.1.